Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have a hard time finding dresses that you feel super confident in? I know I do, but this one by CISMARK does just that for me. I feel so confident in this and feel so cute. I weigh a little bit more than I would like, and I don't have huge curves. So sometimes I feel like dresses can look frumpy on me, but this one I feel like really curves the right spots, and the little ruffle on the front adds a little bit of interest as well. Super, super cute on. It has a nice zipper on the back that's hidden. It is not lined, but I did not have a problem with it being see-through at all. I wore it out in the sun. The colors are very vibrant. I was very pleased with the colors. And like I said, this little ruffle, I'm not a ruffly kind of girl, but this one adds just a little bit of interest on this and is perfect. I'm 5'5", and you can see how long this dress is on me. It's just above my knees. I usually wear a large. This is a large, very true to size. So if you are looking for a really pretty dress that you will just feel super confident in, try this one. And that's my point of view.